Okay, I'm going to walk through and show you one of the worst foreclosures I've had and seen in a long time. And I can't make this stuff up. This is reality. This is how some of them are. I know a lot of people never get to see a house this bad. I mean, honest to God, it would be a lot better if they just went ahead and threw a match to this thing, burn it down, and be done with it, because this is bad. I mean, not to mention all the stuff they had to remove from it, which the cleaning crews here right now, they have the unfortunate job of trashing this thing out. But like I said, we're going to walk through real quick since I can actually get through it now with all the junk out of there. So let's check out this bad boy. Alright, so we're just going to walk around the back. So the AC, of course, has been stolen. It's gone. This is asbestos siding. We still see a good bit of this here in our area. It's not good stuff. It's actually a really pain. You can't do much with it, and if you remove it, you've got to go through a humongous, costly process to have that done, because like I said, that is asbestos siding. The rest of this house is wood. I mean, it's bad. It's just total junk. This dilapidated shed, it needs to go too. It's about to fall in, but it was full of crap. It looks like somebody tried to put some newer windows in, which is really funny. Okay. Now look at this. When I show you the inside, you can actually see daylight coming through this wall right here. Alright. Let's go ahead and walk in the front door. There's actually a washer and dryer hookup right here. You can't see it. I'll show you a picture. But so this is that back room, and this is the kitchen. Oh Lord! I mean, look at this. There's no telling how much of a rot issue is underneath this floor, but this thing is just trashed. Look at the ceiling. So you can see right here, daylight coming through the wall. And this is crazy. Oh, well, never mind, look. I mean, look at that. I need more light in here. But yeah, I mean, somebody did. They put in some newer windows. Wow. Probably take those out and then throw a match to it. And it's only 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, with the little living room area, this room back here, and then the side room over here. It only has 1 bath, 3 bedrooms, and they're just as bad as the rest of this house. Believe it or not, it looked much worse than this. besides roof, AC, probably plumbing. The electrical is probably going to be toast too. You can see there's no grounded outlets. I'm sure it's never been modernized or updated, but it's funny they have some newer windows. Okay, so I'll have to show you some pictures you can't see when there's no light. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's the big tour. Like I said, I would much rather come here one day and this thing be a vacant lot, but thing is, somebody will buy it. They always do. And the bank will have to price it low enough where it makes sense for somebody to buy it. And that's what will end up happening. The problem is, and why most people don't like messing with these properties, number one, the commissions are crap. I mean, they're just low, especially mine as the listing broker, because they take a big chunk out of mine for a referral fee anyway. So the amount of time I have involved with this house, it's almost not worth it. All the reports, back and forth trips, pictures, weekly inspections, all that kind of stuff. It makes it really challenging. Especially when you have a house like this. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tour. Another great property, and if you're looking for investment stuff, now's the time to be looking, because you're going to see more and more foreclosures coming out in the market. Okay, I'm seeing a huge rise. We're seeing more stuff go through, so we're going to be getting them back, and the end of this year I think you're going to see a big change. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer. As always, have a great day. Thanks.